Metis, a leading specialist in radio frequency, RF, and drone detection technologies, has announced the launch of Skyperion Lightweight, a new mobile counter uncrewed aerial systems (C-UAS) solution designed to detect, track, and identify rogue drones with enhanced mobility and rapid deployment capabilities. Skyperion Lightweight delivers nearly the same advanced passive RF detection performance as Metis' established Skyperion rugged system, but in a significantly smaller, lighter, and lower power format. This redesign makes the system ideal for users who require flexible, on-the-move operations, including mobile security teams, temporary event protection, and rapidly changing operational environments. The Skyperion product range is built to capture and analyze radio frequency emissions across a wide spectrum. By filtering background noise and known signals, the system can rapidly identify and locate potential drone threats. This passive approach enables effective situational awareness without emitting signals that could reveal the system's location. Skyperion Lightweight maintains Metis' proven Detect, Track, Identify (DTI) sensor capability, allowing users to monitor both cooperative and non-cooperative drones. Its Open Electronic Support Measures (OpenESM) waveform analysis enables detection without relying solely on static signal libraries, improving the system's ability to identify new or modified drone technologies. Metis has over a decade of experience in passive RF detection, with Skyperion Rugged already integrated into major defense systems such as the UK Royal Air Force's AUKUS system and Leonardo's Falcon Shield. These systems are deployed with NATO allies to protect airspace, critical infrastructure, and sensitive locations from unauthorized drone activity. Skyperion Lightweight builds on this operational heritage, offering a mobile alternative that brings high-grade detection capabilities to scenarios where fixed installations are impractical. The system has been designed with a modular, open architecture, allowing it to integrate easily with other counter-drone technologies such as radar, electro-optical sensors, jamming systems, and command and control platforms. This flexibility enables system integrators, governments, and security providers to create comprehensive, layered counter-drone solutions. According to Metis CEO Tony Burnell, the growing misuse of drones for illegal and hostile activities makes continued innovation essential. Skyperion Lightweight responds to this challenge by offering both fixed-site protection and mobile deployment without sacrificing detection performance. From a geospatial and situational awareness perspective, systems like Skyperion Lightweight enhance real-time airspace monitoring and threat mapping. When integrated with GIS platforms, RF-based drone detection can support spatial analysis, incident response planning, and critical infrastructure protection, strengthening both civilian and defense security operations.